using Copilot, you can use simple language prompt to ask for a sales report of your company. You may be asking for specific details like city-level sales, employee-level sales, trends of profits, and sales over time. The Copilot will then go ahead and generate a beautiful report with all the details you have asked for. You can even ask the Copilot to create more pages with more granularity, and it will give you that. In this case, we are asking for sales, profits, and taxes on a city level. All the detailed charts were given back on a new page. Now let's say we also want to add employee sales numbers in this. We can do that as well. Copilot gave the new bar chart for us to add it wherever we want on the page. Now that the report is done, you as a business person would also want some insights, which is also possible with Copilot. The Copilot understands the report and produces some thoughtful insights in a jiffy. These are all some of many capabilities of Copilot.